Opening a project in Microsoft Visual Studio is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Launch Visual Studio. Open the application. Start Microsoft Visual Studio from your computer's Applications menu or desktop shortcut. Start the Open Project process. Welcome screen. If you see the welcome screen, click on Open a Project or Solution. If the welcome screen isn't visible, go to File, Open, Project or Solution. Select the project file. Navigate to your project. In the Open Project dialog box, browse to the folder where your project is located. Projects typically have extensions like SLN, CSproj, or VBproj. Choose File. Select the appropriate project file. For example, select the SLN file to open the entire solution, or choose a specific project file if opening a single project. Open the project. Click Open. After selecting the file, click the Open button. Visual Studio will load the project and display it in the Solution Explorer. Review and configure. Check Project Setup. Once open, verify the project's configuration and dependencies. You might need to restore NuGet packages or adjust settings based on your development environment.